Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO M863 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this tablet. First of all, you need to locate the app code files and tap on it. Now select left clean button over here. Wait a bit and choose confirm and free app under junk files. After that, you need to select clear in this pop-up and wait. As you can see, storage of my tablet was just successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!